Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Today we are going to learn how to convert a recurring decimal to a fraction. We know that rational numbers are the numbers which have terminating decimal or a recurring decimal. Now we are going to learn how to convert recurring decimal to the fraction or a rational number in the lowest form. So we start with the first question. It is 0 0.7 dot, that means 0 0.7 bar. So here what we do, we take this as x is equal to 0 0.777. It goes on repeating, right? So this is our equation number one. Since one digit is being repeated, so we multiply this equation by 10. So our second equation becomes 10x is equal to 7.777 goes on. So this is our second equation. Now remember, we should have only one digit in the decimal. We know that only one digit is being repeated. Just to show, I have shown you 2 here. So we now subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. So when we subtract, we have 10x minus x is equal to 7.7 minus 0.7. 10x minus x is 9x. 7.7 minus 0.7 is 7. So you get x is equal to 7 upon 9. So this is the fraction in the lowest form. So 0.7 bar or 0.7 dot can be written as 7 upon 9. So we know that rational number is a fraction in the simplest form, or any number which can be expressed as a form in a form of fraction in the simplest form where denominator cannot be 0. So this was one. We do one more. B. So we can take here, let's say two digits are being recurring here. So it is actually x is equal to 1.2323 goes on. So this is our equation 1. Since we have two recurring digits, we multiply this equation by 100. So we get 100x is equal to 123.23. Here, the decimal will shift two places towards right. This is our equation number 2. Now we subtract. See, when we are doing this, we need to know that we have to get rid of the decimal part. So 1.23 and 123.23. We subtract these equations. Equation 2 minus equation 1. We get 100x minus x is equal to 123.23 minus 1.23. So we get 100x minus x is 99x is equal to point decimal gets removed here, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So we get 122. So you get x is equal to 122 upon 99. This is the fraction in the simplest form, cannot be simplified further. Okay, so you get 1.23 bar is 122 by 99. The next question, we can have three digits repeating. It can be written as 3.105, the bar on these three digits, or on the first and the last there is a bar. That means this is x is equal to 3.105, 105. This 105, the set of these three digits keeps on repeating. This is my equation 1. Since we have three repeating digits, we multiply by 1000. So we get 1000x is equal to, multiplying by 1000 decimal shifts here, you get 3105.105. This is our equation 2. We subtract equation 2 minus equation 1, which we get is as 1000 minus x is 999x, which is equal to 3105.105 minus 3.105. So 0.105, the decimal gets 5 minus 3 is 2. So you get 3102. 999x is equal to 3102. So x is equal to 3102 upon 999. Now you see that 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6. So divisible by 3. So when you divide both of 999, the sum of digits is the multiple of 3. The number is divisible by 3. So dividing by 3, we get this as 1034 upon 333. So this is the fraction in the simplest form. Can't be divided further. Okay, let's take one more. 2.132. Now we will take here only 32 is being repeated. Only 3232 will be repeated. So you have x is equal to 2.1323232. It's like that. Only these are being repeated. Now in this case, this is my equation 1. First, we have to see that the decimal part should be same. So we need to bring the decimal here. So we first multiply this equation by 10. So we get 10x is equal to 21.323232, whatever. This is my equation number, say 2. Now we should have the decimal parts equal. We cannot subtract here. Here it is 132, whereas 32. 3232 has to be repeated. Since two digits are being repeated here, so we multiply this equation by 100 further. So 10 times 100, we get this as 1000x is equal to 2132.32, because this is 3232 being repeated. Okay, now this is my equation number 3. So here to get rid of decimal, so we can do the operation between equation 3 and 2. So we get equation number 3 minus 2, we get 1000x minus 10x is equal to 2000x minus 10x is equal to 2132.32 minus 21.32. Subtracting this, 1000x minus 10x is 990x is equal to, when you subtract this here, remember just you are subtracting 3 to 3 to goes. So from 2132.32, when you subtract 21.32, you get this as 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 1. So we get 211. So 2111. So x is equal to 2111 upon 990, can't be simplified further. So this is how we have learned how to express a recurring decimal into a fraction in the simplest form. That is converting a recurring decimal into a rational number. So rational number is a number which can be expressed in the form of fraction in the simplest form. So children, if you find this video is helpful, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.